Hey everybody, I'm a little bit late on a follow-up to what happened with my truck when I put it in the shop for, I think it was like 6-7 days they had it for, and they were working on a few things. One of them was the software update with the, not necessarily the APEM, which technically should be done, but the modem module. And also my sliding back window, which currently isn't vibrating. So we'll check that one off the list. Say it's done. I think it does if you get the right song, the right bass, but more of an extreme, I guess, which it is what it is. The updates have been done officially, so now I've been able to get the new model. The new modem in and the updates are in. You know, I've driven a little bit, and I'm not 100% sure if we are officially out of the woods yet, but it seems fine right now, which is good. And the tires have been dealt with, so the balancing piece is done. So that's 3 out of the 4. And the only thing that's remaining is the vibration from the center console between the engine and the cab, I guess. Something happens when I hit about 900 RPMs with a brake, potentially on a hill or what might be, but it vibrates. And that is hard to replicate, I guess, when it's a power boost. It likes to go to electric when it happens. So if anybody knows how to turn the electric completely off, I know that tow mode does that, but for some reason I can't really seem to get it too much when it's in there. I don't know what that's all about, but typically the vibration comes when I'm in normal and hit that 900 RPM. So that's a quick update for everybody, just let everybody know. So far, 3 out of the 4 look to be good. We'll see what happens when it goes in again, May 2nd, for its normal service, and to see if they can figure out this vibration. Fingers crossed, I'm not sure. Anyways, there you have it. All right, peace.